Monkey here. Welcome back to the Bella Vlogs.
The kid is popping 10. Focus start, don't forget to smash that like button, ring that bell, and subscribe to the Bella Vlogs. So today, guys, we're going to be doing So we're going to be teaching you guys how to make a big simple dimple.
It's not
large. It's not gigantic, but it's pretty big. It's not the normal size
either.
Yeah. So what you're gonna need are some cardboard cutouts.
2 cardboard cutouts. Oh, ears, I see. Of a simple dimple.
Of a simple dimple. For that we just used a mason jar lid and a pencil, which you're also gonna need.
A glue stick. Whatchamacallit?
Some sharpies that are any permanent markers that are colored. We're using sharpies.
Scissors.
A black permanent marker.
And a white paper. And white cardstock.
And this part's optional. These 2 things are optional. Some Mod Podge to make it like glossy. And then this to make like an indentation.
Okay, so what you're going to start is taking your 2 cardboard cutouts and your white paper. So choose your paper set.
Thank you.
And your pencil.
Where did my other cardboard cutout go? Shoot.
She doesn't have it.
You don't. Where did it go?
I don't know. Look at the floor.
It's not on the floor.
The search continues.
Where is it? I'm just gonna use one.
We'll look. Okay, guys, so we're gonna look for someone's cardboard cutout.
Where
do you think you put it?
I don't know. I was holding it, then I put it down right here, then he gave me the paper, and then it lost.
Okay. Oh, I found it.
Where is it? Oh. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, so then you're going to take your 1 cardboard cutout and
you're
your
gonna
second cardboard
trace it.
cutout, and you're just going to trace them on the white paper. Okay, guys, so while we were filming this part, Bella, she was going, well, crazy around the room. She was eating stuff and knocking stuff over, so I had to go off camera and try to wrangle her. When I went off camera, she was in the process of eating some yarn. But, so I pushed her out of that room, and then she went into the other one and started running around. And she finally sat on a beanbag chair. And then I realized that she hurt her head because she picked a scab that was on it. So, yeah, I'll spare you the details, but that's basically what happened. Okay, so next you're going to take
Scissors. And cut your hair.
No, you're going to cut your paper. Your
paper. Don't cut your hair.
Just separating them.
And so, when you're done with this, you're going to need your packaging tape. So, just let me explain the further step. When you're done cutting it out, you're going to laminate this. So before you laminate it, you cut out the circles in the inside, like that part, because you don't want those. That's like the, I don't know how to explain it, but the popping part.
The part where it gets popped.
Yeah.
I guess.
Like a poppet.
Where
the poppet pieces is what it's going to be called.
Just stop trying to describe it.
You know what I mean, right? If you guys know what a simple dimple is, you guys know what I mean.
And we'll just insert a picture on screen right here. That's Simple Dimple. I use the scissors. Where are the other scissors?
Hey guys, yay, we're back. That situation was fun.
Style. how do you? Is this mine or yours?
No, that's yours. So basically, what we did, while we were gone, I laminated mine because mine ripped. So yeah, I laminated this one, and I did not laminate this one. See,
Oh
this
my
one's
god, I think it was on this one.
See, ooh,
It's still
it is dandy, but it's
hard.
fine. So the next step is,
Oh
I'm
my
just gonna
god, look how
go-
poorly cut that is. I'm gonna have to like turn the cardboard around. Jeez. So the next step is to take your glue stick and glue on a side of your cardboard. So just take your glue and just add glue to your cardboard.
Be jolly,
It's April. Quit it. It's April. Stop. This looks like those photo booth prop things. I don't know.
Okay, so we'll see you guys in a second when we're done.
Okay, guys. So we have our two.
Hey, Simple Dimples.
Adjusted, and you can adjust the size if you feel like it. I'm going to, because one of my holes is severely smaller than its counterpart. But
And
maybe
so
if
what
I
I'm
flip
doing
it
right
over-
now, the next.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
So the next step is to trace your circles inside of one of them. So you can do one of them. I used the bad one because yeah. And then on some poster board. And then you're just gonna want to extend it a little bit, like bigger than it needs to be. So yeah. Now you're gonna take your colors. I'm using this and this purple. So using this purple and this green.
Green.
It's green. It's green. So yeah, I'll color it in. So then you just color your poster board in. You want to make sure your markers are permanent. You can just use like Crayola markers or something like that because those are washable. And on poster board, they just rub off. We have a perfect example on this poster board. Actually, I will show you right now what it looks like. My Crayola. Orange Crayola, okay. So you see it looks like it pretty well. It's the orange right there.
Smudges.
You don't want that. So yeah. Yeah. And you're gonna
Here's stuff on it.
ooh.
And you're just gonna tape.
Bam. Bam, bam, bam.
And then flipping it over. Now, it can get crinkly after this circle. Because you can see that it's a
I got
little
my circles
tricky.
on. You don't want to do both sides.
Okay, so once you have your, it looks like a blue egg during the Easter past, but I mean, it still looks like a blue egg. So then you're gonna cut a slit into the middle, and then you're going to fold it over, so then it becomes
Like a cone.
three-dimensional. So yeah, like a cone, exactly. You just get a.
I love using packaging tape because you don't even have to press on your scissors. You can just go like that and slice it. You can use hot glue for this, but we don't because we found that it doesn't work that easily. So you can if you want.
Oh, yikes.
Slice it then.
You want to tape the inside and outside, so it really stays. Because you can tell that. Oh no, it's like
I
loose.
can't get it. Ow!
Here, just don't use that.
I got it.
Okay. Hey, it's popping.
A.
So then I guess you're supposed to attach it onto the inside. Oh, that looks cool. I really like that blue. So then you're supposed to just tape it on the inside. We might need to use a little bit of hot glue. No,
We don't have any hot glue sticks.
we have a little bit, but we're running out.
Someone doesn't want to buy any. Ah!
Is that someone new? Okay guys, so I had to use a combination of hot glue and tape to secure the two sides together, and it's fun. I really like this. It's free ish. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh,